Jordan brand pushes boundaries in 2025 with the Air Jordan Mule cow print, reflecting its evolving identity beyond basketball. Highlighted by a brown and white pony hair cowhide upper and a matte black platform midsole, the Mule blends playful Western-inspired style with modern luxury. Its slip-on build, exaggerated shape, and premium materials tie into lifestyle footwear trends, while the metal Jordan plate on the vamp keeps the brand's signature identity intact. Originally introduced in a sleek black AMD metallic silver version, this bold iteration emphasizes versatility and contemporary appeal. More than just a shoe, it signals Jordan's effort to diversify women's choices, take risks in design, and influence culture with fashion-forward moves. By merging casual comfort and high-fashion aesthetics, the Cow Print Mule captures the spirit of experimentation that defines Jordan brand's women's lineup today.